I would like to congratulate the students first. They have been through a lot and dedicated themselves to their studies and to their career. And today is, I think, a very proud moment for each one of them. So I think all the teachers, all the professors who have supported them, it's a proud day for you also. So I would like to first of all congratulate all the students who have got their PhD degrees, the master's and the bachelor's degrees today in this convocation. At the very outset, I would also like to thank Sharda University for this honor that they have bestowed upon me. I am humbled by this, and it is truly an honor to be here today and to receive this honorary degree from Sharda University. I thank the Chancellor and his entire team for having selected me to be part of this program and to receive this award. And to the young generation who's passing out today, I don't have much to say. You have already learned a lot. You have already proved that you are worthy to come into the world and now contribute towards building the nation. The only thing I can tell you, as an individual who has failed many times, I've contested 5 elections and I've lost twice. Even the first election was the election that I lost. And I can tell you, I learned the most when I lost that first election. It humbled me, made me realize that we are not perfect. It made me realize that I need to keep getting up and keep learning and keep improving. And I worked hard. I won the second election. And then I lost the third election again because I thought that I've done a lot, but then I was wrong. But again, I got up and I contested again in my fourth election. And that's how life has been. So they have read the very good parts about me, but they didn't read the bad parts about me, that I had lost many elections in my life. But that's how we learn. And let me tell all the young generation, be ready to fail and learn, but never give up. And the important aspect in that is to ensure that you follow your heart. You follow your passion. Make sure that you do what you believe in and you like. Because if you don't do that, every time you face a problem, you will give up. So don't give up, and you will not give up if you follow your passion. This is what I believe. And so the young generation is here. I'm very glad and happy to be with all of you. I once again take this opportunity to congratulate all of you on this great day. And I once again thank Sharda University for giving me this honor. Thank you very much, and Jai Hind.